everyone, my name is Sandy and this is my third video series about my anti-aging journey to looking more youthful as I age. So I did turn 60 about a month ago and everyone has been asking me, what I do for my skin to help it look so youthful. I've done a few things this past year like Jeuveau, which is similar to Botox. I've also done Sculptra with PRP, and now finally I had the opportunity to try the CO2 resurfacing laser, and that's what I'm going to talk about today in this video. But before we continue, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're liking these videos and would like to see more of them, please give it a thumbs up. So today I'm going to share with you my CO2 resurfacing laser experience that I just had about a month ago. So now I'm not an expert, so please talk to your doctor if you're thinking about this procedure. So if you're interested in getting this procedure done, I had it done at Premier Wave Medical with Dr. Justin Johnson and his team, and they were absolutely phenomenal. I really loved the procedure that they did. I love their warm office atmosphere and just how kind and thoughtful and caring they all were. The procedure was a great experience. They were very thoughtful about my questions and making sure that everything was answered. I'm just sharing my personal experience, and I know this procedure isn't for everyone. So that being said, I was very happy with my results and how it smoothed out my complexion. But this procedure can have some side effects, such as infections. It can be painful, and there could be some kind of allergic reaction. And I was personally afraid of getting cold sores, since I've always been sensitive when it comes to any type of procedure done around my lips. I really had no side effects, and my doctor did prescribe me some cold sore medication to help prevent the cold sores. He also prescribed a facial cream for after the procedure to, apply throughout the day to help with healing and to help numb any sort of pain. So like I said, I didn't have any side effects at all happen from the procedure itself alone. We did take some before pictures, and I will be sure to show you the before and after pictures later in this video. So let's take a look at the video right now.
Okay, so we're going to start up here. Let me know how this feels. How's that?
Good.
Feel okay?
Yeah.
How's it going, Jennifer? Maria?
Good.
That looks great. Love it. You're gonna love this. And the thing with this too is, it's not one of those one-time deals. You get one, you can't ever get them again. You technically can get it one every 6 months if you want.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually recommend like one of these light ones once every couple of years. Because what it really does nicely is it increases cell turnover, So you get one of these, you don't need to take retinoic acid, tretinoin, and all that stuff.
That's good to know, yeah.
You get really good cell turnover.
And I'm going to take off the little eye covers here. And I'm going to use a little wooden popsicle stick. I'll have you close your eyes.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to go right around the eye at the bottom here, and then just hold your eyelashes and eye back a little bit. Keep them closed.
That plane. And that's the place to do it, around the mouth and around the eyes. I always increase the density and, increase the treatment because it does so well. It's such a great place to do it.
Yeah.
Get really nice skin tightening.
I really don't have a lot of fine lines here. It's just a little bit.
Yeah.
It'll just tighten all that up.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you okay there, Sandy? Feeling okay there?
Oh, that's good.
Right up to there.
Okay, open your eyes for just a sec there. Okay, so close your eyes. Oh, okay, close your eyes for a sec. So what I do is I just go like this.
Hold up there. Okay.
And pull it down there.
Yep. You okay like that, Sandy?
This sort of get a little bit better around the eyes.
Tighten down here. Okay, coming to the other side.
You know what? I can hold it back for you to go a little easier.
Okay. I mean, it's actually a little easier this way. I think
Okay,
I got
open
it.
your eyes for a sec there.
Okay. And then close. Like that. Okay. Get right along there. So hold that for a second. There we go.
Awesome. Do around your mouth here.
Yep. And then I'm going to go just along these little fine lines here. Make it more tight. Okay. I'm going to wipe off the neck area. And get this way. Okay, there, Sandy. Okay. The signs and symptoms of infection are if it's itching, if it's becoming more, like you're going to feel heat at first, but if you're seeing like redness that is a lot more red than the rest, like after the first few days it shouldn't be as red. It should kind of calm down as we move the
So it should only be red for the first couple of days?
Yeah, as far as like this, I'll show you with the camera. So like this beet red.
Oh, wow.
So that bright red.
Okay.
This will be kind of normal for the next few days. After that, we would expect it to be a lot calmer. But if it's continuing to be red, let us know. Give us a call. And then if you start noticing like white or black heads pop up, that would also be a sign of infection. Or just like the follicles are getting clogged up a little bit.
Okay.
So you can use more vinegar soaks on those areas, try and clean out the cells that are turning over there.
Okay.
But I mean, in general, most people don't have any problems. But I'm just trying to.
No, that's good.
The full-
All the information is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and of course, if you have any questions, call us
I
anytime.
wonder if I go do some cryotherapy, that might help, right?
Yeah. To cool it down. Yeah. Okay, we're all finished here. We'll give you. Have you sit up here, and then we'll put that post-care cream on.
So the procedure was a little painful, but with the numbing cream that we applied and let it sit on for 30 minutes, it really helped a lot. The procedure actually did take about 30 minutes to complete on my entire face, and another 30 minutes to complete the neck area and the chest area. And I'll have to tell you, my chest, the results were phenomenal. So my skin was very red right after the procedure. I should have taken some pictures right after, but we totally spaced it. But I do have pictures throughout the healing process that I'm going to show. But there was a downtime of about 7 days, and you shouldn't wear any makeup during that time. And make sure that if you have any important event coming up, You know, give yourself up to at least a month to completely heal and recover. So here are some pictures of how I looked during the week of healing. So day one, I didn't feel much pain. My face was red, but the cream they prescribed really helped soothe the face and the pain. I really thought it would be much worse than it actually was. Every day I had to apply some vinegar soaks every couple of hours by putting 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in 1 cup of cold water, and then use some gauze or a paper towel to soak the vinegar water and then apply it to my face for about 15 to 20 minutes. And it actually felt amazing and cooled off the face. So then I reapplied the prescribed numbing and healing cream, and I felt pretty good on day 1. Day 2, I still have no pain or no discomfort. My face is red still, but it's pretty tight. My skin's getting pretty tight. This is what day 2 looks like. It's still red, but no blisters, there's no discoloration. And I continue to use the vinegar soaks, which really helps soothe the skin along with the prescribed cream. This is day 3 and 4. You can see my redness going away. My face felt a little tight, especially around my neck area. And my skin is starting to look, a little smoother. And here are my before and after pictures. And you can see quite a difference with the tone of my face. And the procedure really helped with lifting and tightening, but also helped with those brown spots, the red spots, the hyper-pigmentation, any acne scars, the droopy, saggy skin. I really love this procedure, and it gave me the results I was really looking for. I feel a combination of the previous procedures I did, like the Sculptra and the Javoux, and now the CO2 laser helped give me the results that I was looking for. I don't feel only one procedure alone would have given me the results and desires that I really wanted. But with the multiple modalities, helped achieve the best desired outcome that I was hoping for. If you're in the Salt Lake area and interested in giving Tremere Wave Medical a try, I'll leave their link below in the description, and be sure to contact them and get on their schedule. So everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please get a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe so you get my upcoming videos on anti-aging and youthfulness. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.